Using mobile video for socializing or business promotion is on the rise and don't want to be left behind. People post mobile videos on platforms like YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a mobile video on Canva. Coming up. Hello guys, this is Swadik here from Template Warriors, where we show you how to create and sell templates online and also help small businesses grow through online video just like this one. So if you are new here, consider subscribing. That said, let's jump into the video. Having signed into Canva, I go over to the search bar, then I search for mobile video. I have mobile video right here. It is 1080 by 1920 pixels. I click on it. From here, you have a bunch of templates you can choose from, but we are not going to use any of those. I'm just going to go ahead and create a blank mobile video. So I click on create a blank mobile video, and it will take us to a new canvas. From here, I can go ahead and give it a title, my mobile video, and I go ahead and click out of that. Basically, you can create a mobile video by using static images and text and applying animations to it. I've linked a video in the description down below that will show you exactly how you can do that. Another way is by using an existing video, and that is what we are going to explore in today's video. I already have a video I want to use for this tutorial, and this is the video I'm going to use. As you can see, it's not a mobile video, and we are going to go ahead and create a mobile video out of it. I'll just click and drag it into my canvas. I minimize this, and you see that the video is uploading right here. Whilst it's uploading, I can go ahead and resize the video. So I hold it from here and I drag it up. I do the same thing right here. Maybe this much. And I can go ahead and center it. So I go over to position and I choose center. Awesome. Don't worry about the white space up here. Maybe I want to put some text there. I click aside. Then I can go over to elements. Under line and shapes, I choose square. Then I go ahead and drag it on top like this. And I open it up. Next, I'm going to add some text. So I click on text. And I'll just go ahead and use a heading text. So I click on it to appear on my canvas. Then I go ahead and enter in the text I want. The text is too big. I can reduce the size from here by clicking on the minus sign. Or better still, I can hold from this corner and reduce it from here, whichever way. Now take it, place it on the rectangular shape like this. Now change the color to white. So it's still selected. I click on text color and I choose white from here. As you can see, my video is finished uploading right here. So that's all what I want to do. Now that all is set, I can go ahead and download it. So I click on share and I go ahead and click on download, and the file type will be MP4. And I click on download, and it is preparing right here. So you just have to give it a moment to download. Alright, the video is completely downloaded. So you can go ahead and locate it from your download folder and use it for whatever purpose you want to use it for. Alright, that's it guys on how to create a mobile video on Canva. I hope this video was helpful. If you found value, kindly hit the like button, subscribe, and also enable the notification bell so that each time I post a new video on this channel, you will be the first to know. Keep watching, and I'll see you in the next one.